The ethical dilemma: who wins and who loses in the AI music economy? AI can write songs in seconds, but what does that mean for real musicians? It's faster, cheaper, and often good enough. But the question is, for whom? Who profits from AI music? Who gets replaced? And who owns the sound it's trained on? As the music world evolves, so do its ethical gray zones. Should artists be paid when their songs train AI? Should platforms flag AI-generated content? In this AI-powered economy, not everyone wins. The question is, can we make it fair? AI music isn't just a technological revolution, it's an ethical turning point. It offers powerful tools, but also raises uncomfortable questions. If we don't address those questions now, the music of tomorrow may be louder, but less human. To follow the story, please like and subscribe.